Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, I'm not going to discuss any of the product, either home loan or either non-home loan. I'm going to just give you a differentiation between home loan and the non-home loans products. Whatever you have discussed so far, you might have seen, or you can go back and you can just watch all those videos, what exactly I've discussed. If it is really helping you to, I'll be the happiest one uh, to know about it. So here I'm just going to give you, because we have discussed about home loans, we have discussed about non-home loans and a lot of products also. Now here I'm just going to give you a differentiation between home loans, what are the benefits I'm going to get, and if it is not a home loan, if it is a non-home loan, then what are the benefits I'm going to lose, right? So let's talk about the home loan first. So in home loan, first of all, as I told you, so you are going to get fund for your own, let's say for your construction, for your plot, for your land, for your, let's say, home purchasing, or construction, even plot plus construction, all these things even we have already discussed, even for your extension, even for your improvement, even for your renovate also, right? So this is one thing. So you are going to get the capital based on your income. Now second point, you are going to save the tax also. You are going to save the tax if you are a salaried person, then under section 80C, as well as on the principal on your let's say whatever the stamp duty you are going to pay, right? Even though on your interest part also you are going to save, even under section 24B. So these are the discussion already I have elaborately I have discussed in my couple of previous videos in the taxation part. So you can go and you can watch. It will be really helpful for you, because this is only made for you only. This is the second benefit. Now the third benefit, what I am trying to say, in home loan you will get even easily funding, as well as you are going to get even for a longer tenure. So now how you are going to utilize this, how it is going to be benefited for you. So let me tell you a example. Let's say today somebody's age is around 25. It's a very young age, but his income also very less, let's say, but he can take a risk for a longer term, so he can play with the term. So in that case, home loan, it will be a a loan, or home loan, it will be a product where he can play. Income is less, but tenure will be longer, as well as whatever the other benefits, as I told you. Only if you ask me, yes, if I look out the disadvantage, yes, as I told you, that is legally only. You will not be the owner till that 10 year, whatever you have to pay back to the financial institute, because your property will be hypothecated on bank's name, because bank is the owner. Until unless you are not paying, so you cannot claim I am the owner, right? So it might be looking very awkward. It might be if you are hearing first time, you will be thinking what exactly I'm talking. But yes, you can go back to your bank, you can check out with all the legality. So typically you are not the owner for your house till the time you are taking the tenure. So let's say if I'm paying, let's say, for another 20 years, 30 years, so I'm not the owner for my own house. Bank is the owner, who is funding for me, who has funded for me. He is the owner. Until unless I don't complete my repayment, then I'll not be the owner. That is only one disadvantage. Otherwise, the benefit part already I have spoken. Right. Now come back to your non-home loan part. So in non-home loans, what happens? First and foremost thing, you are not going to get the benefit on your principal. It will be up to that percentage, even though you are not going to get any kind of taxation benefit also on your principal. You are going to get only the taxation part on 24B, that will be only on your interest part. Point number one. Point number two, definitely if it is not a home loan, if it is a non-home loan, as I told you earlier, even while discussing also the product, I have already discussed. So your rate of interest will be little bit high rather than your home loan, even though it is bank, even though it is in any kind of financial institute. And the major point is, the third point is very important, like you are not going to get the, let's say, almost 100% fund. You will be getting, let's say, whatever even you are your eligibility, on that you are going to get, let's say, maximum you are going to get even 80% funding, or let's say 70% funding. Ideally it will be 70%, not even more than 70%. But yes, The biggest advantage, as I told you, here you are not even going to be losing your legality. You will be the legal owner for your property. Yes, bank is funding, but still you will be the legal owner for your own property itself. Right? So I think this will be very helpful. This is very, very important for you, for your home loan, for your non-home loan. And this is the differentiation. So you should know even both the things. And if it is definitely it is helping you, I'll be the happiest one. You can reach me also in the chat box, also in the mail. Thanks for watching.